Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Lasse and today I would like to show you how to host your bot made in DBC in Discord bot controls for free online and without any risk of someone stealing your token. First of all, for everyone who's watching this because you saw my DBM tutorial, this is not Discord bot maker, this is DBC. It's another software to host your bot. So basically you have the command here, as you can see. And if you start your bot over here, you will see in this case my bot is turning on, or at least it should. There we go, bot started, and there we go. This is test bot. Hi test bot. But you know, if you close the program, it shuts down. But how can we prevent that? First of all, your bot needs to run somewhere. And in this case, you need to buy something or rent something to keep your bot online. But there's also a free way currently. I'm not sure if how long it will be there, but currently it's free, and I would like to show you how to do that. So, let's start. I think you just check this. Okay, perfect. You do basically just click on export for now. Then you click on Ubuntu setup, and then you click export here. Now it will say export success, and it will open this window. Over here, there's one file called testbot.zip. It may have a different icon at your thing. You just need to copy and paste, or in my case I will just put it into another folder called DBC glitch. In this case you don't need to, you can delete that later on, but for now we will keep that. Now you can close this folder again. You can also close DBC, and now you go to the website called glitch.com. Glitch is a free way to host bots online or websites. In this case you just register over here. Now click on new project. Now you select Hello Express. This is very important. Don't delete something else, don't select something else, you need to select Hello Express. If you've selected this one, it will create a new project for you. Yeah, and there we go. We're basically already done. No, not really. But you go here to Tools, and then you see here Git, Import and Export. You go to Read, go to copy this one. Now it's important, you need some software for this. First of all, you need Git or Node, Git or Node.js, which is, yeah. And you need WinRAR or 7-zip to open these files, okay? Oops, And just click one time over here in this line, okay? Click there and type CMD for command line. Now this very spooky window opens. You just type in git clone. And then you can just right click over here, boop, and it will insert the URL you copied. This will now clone this project to this folder over here into Git. So just go to your CD to the Git folder. So we are now also in the Git folder over here. And basically all this stuff seems pretty nice, but we really don't need it. You can just delete everything over here. Whoop. Go back. Please keep in mind that if you see this Git folder, don't delete it. If you don't see it, it's fine because it's actually hidden. Now you open this folder. Wait for the advertisement to appear. Go over here, just copy and paste all these things, drag and drop them into the thing, and you're done, basically. Because now you can go to Git, and now it's very important to change the branch. Git works with a branch system, so you have different branches. In this case, we'll create a new branch called beta in this case, or whatever you want to do, and now we need to switch to that branch. Git checkout beta. All the commands will also be in the description if I don't forget them. And then whoop, we're there. Perfect. Now you basically just type git add dot with a space between that, git commit -m, and then hi, or whatever you would like to type there. Press enter over here, and it will say delete, rewrite and edit somewhere. Well, now the next thing you will do is push the whole thing to the project again, because now you just edited stuff over here, and this is annoying. So you go here, git push, and well, now it will tell you need to set an upstream. What the hell is that? Basically, you just need to tell Git what to push where. So you type git push -- set -upstream origin, so the master branch, to beta. There we go. It will do some stuff now, and you will be asked for a username. This is not your glitch account. You can basically go here to write and then click copy username. And you see password is not an empty string. So go here, you have copied the username, you paste it here, whoop, and you don't have to insert the password, just click OK. And now, there we go, we're online. You won't see something here now yet, because you need to go here actually and click on full page console. This is the console of your project. This is pretty easy now, you just need to type git merge beta or whatever you named that branch. Whoop, finish. And now you will see nothing happens here, so you need to type one more command, refresh, to reload the whole project. And now, whoop, DBC Bot controls, and you see a wonderful token here you should never share with anyone, so I will revoke it after recording this video. Well, you see here's my hello command, and everything is there. All you need to do now is, as you can see, it's already doing this globe thing there. You see this, logging in and everything, installing stuff here. And if you now go on Discord, you see it's online. If you now type hello again, it's online. Wow. But there is a problem, because it will shut down after 5 minutes. So there's something more you need to do. Yeah, so glitch is free because it will shut down your project after the 5 minutes without any contact or without any things. So you need something to trigger your bot all the time. You can either ping your bot every minute, or you go to uptimerobot.com and create an account over here, and then click on add new monitor, then select HTTPS, and then insert some stuff here. This software or this bot will ping your bot every 5 minutes, as you can see. So, how to do this? You have your URL over here. Every project has a name, which is over here, big minus lunch minus 1 in this case. So I will just copy it from here because that's easier. Basically, the URL you need to insert here is this one. Say project name .glitch.me. This is your project. If you go here, you will see nothing except this one here, that your glitch thing is starting up right now. So every 5 minutes, that website will be called. Now you click on create monitor. Okay, and now we will call this test bot or whatever you want to call it. Okay, create monitor. There we go. Close, and you see there's the test robot, which will ping your website every 5 minutes, and that's all. First of all, if there are issues with this, I may have forgotten something. Please put that in the comments, and if it doesn't work, please read the comments. You know, this is how it works. Still, one more thing: if you would like to update your bot because you added a command, for instance, you can either do this just like here in the code if you are sneaky, or you just go to DBC again, export the bot, and you will get another testbot.zip file. Now you can just replace the bot.js file, but you don't need to push all the stuff again. You can just open the file with a text editor, select everything, copy everything, go here into the bot.js file, select everything, delete everything, and this. Oh, magic! And now, as you can see, it automatically restarts the bot. Okay? So if you would like to update this, just update the bot.js file. If you edit something like this name banned words thing here, just edit this. But for now, this is fine. Okay? So basically, that's all. If you need help, please don't hesitate to ask in our wonderful server for help. Just check before I leak something. Perfect. So you can just go over here on the Discord server and ask in support for anything you would like to know. But please don't ping people here. Thank you very much. So guys, if I helped you with this video, please leave a like. If not, please comment why. And yeah, I hope you have a great week, and see you next time. Bye!